What's up, C Squad? It's Trey, aka Daddy C. Thanks for tapping into the Daddy C channel today. If it's your first time here, do me a quick favor, hit that notification bell so you can stay on top of our content as we drop it. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back and rocking with your boy. Appreciate the support. We are on our way to 4K and up. So thanks for vibing with us, y'all. Today, I want to ask a quick question and I want to find out, are we done with Yeezys at this point? Or are we still anticipating more to come down the road? And I'm asking that question because, I was able to cop one of my Yeezy grails on this last Yeezy day. Now, I've had this box for about a week or two, and I haven't been able to get to the video yet, but I wanted to cover it today because it's just one of the ones I was really looking forward to. But I wanted to know, are we excited? Was that everything happened that day? Are we excited for the potential of another drop? Or are we kind of done with Yeezys at this point? Now, this pair is the Yeezy 350. You can see by the box, right? This is 350 in my grail, the Pirate Black colorway. Love this shoe. Always wanted it. Missed it back in the day, and the prices were crazy. So it's really this one and one other one that I'm hoping we see before this is done. There's a couple more actually, but the Turtle Dove, missed that on the last drop as well, but then also the 750s. Now, this Pirate Black to me has just always been just a banger, just dope, simple, of course, one of the originals. And we got this pair in, and you guys I'm sure have seen in the reports where people were complaining about their Yeezy coming in with mold, with people getting their boxes not double boxed, where Adidas was just slapping a mailing label just kind of right on the Boost box, which is crazy. No kind of outside protection or anything like that. So that was pretty wild. But luckily, it came in a huge box actually. Like I could have fit about 3 pair in it, and they threw this little 350 box inside of it. But yeah, no mold, no issues. Just clean, pristine, everything you know about the Pirate Black, right? That original OG, that Boost, and this lovely little Yeezy and Adidas patch on the inside of the shoe. Big fan of that. Got the back tab, the OG back tab there, the single seam stitching down the middle, basic laces that we all know and love, and the outsole that's encases that Boost foam insole. They're the original. Just one of my favorites. These go hard with some black joggers or with jeans. So I don't know, did y'all cop a bunch off the Yeezy day drop? I know I saw a bunch of people, my boy Kari, Sneaker Fetish, I know he ended up, I think, with about 9 different pairs of kicks that day. Some people were just checking out all day long. You just keep entering that raffle, entering, and people were checking out a ton that day. But yeah, so, are we done? Have we had enough? Or are we looking forward to the potential for more? I'm hearing that there's going to be another drop. We're going to see some other things, possibly like Turtle Doves. I think there's those 350 V2, the gray slate, that were kind of due for dropping kind of right around the time when the Yeezy blow up happened, when Kanye and Adidas separated. I'm hoping Turtle Doves, again, like I said, Adidas, if they hear me, 750s. We haven't seen 750s since they dropped originally. It's been crazy that we haven't seen restocks on 750s. I'm hearing that there's still just a ton of pairs of inventory that are still left to be sold. I think on that Yeezy day, it was reported it was about 700,000 pairs of shoes dropped that day. So who knows what's left, but I know there's a lot of other models that, are still out there. And what I'm hearing is that some stores like Foot Locker and places like that are going to be getting Yeezys as well. So are they going to be in full circulation across, the footprint of where we shop? What's going to happen? Tap in the comments down below. Let me know what you think, or if you've heard anything. But as soon as I get an update, I will make sure to post that, let you know, film a video, whatever. Tap in on IG at Real Daddy Seed, and I will keep you updated. Thanks for hanging out for this one, y'all. Peace.